There's a version of me in a video somewhere that makes $10,000 a month with AI while he sleeps. He's got the watch, the car, he fans the cash at the camera and tells you it's easy. He doesn't exist. But the guy selling you the course about him, he's very, very real. I didn't try these side hustles. I'm not going to pretend I did. I did something the people selling them never do. I went and found out what actually happened to the people who did. Real numbers, real timelines, real graveyards, and by the end, you'll see the one pattern hiding underneath all of it. You've seen the thumbnails. Make $10,000 a month with AI. This AI side hustle prints money while you sleep. No skills, no audience, no face. Just copy my system. AI writing gigs, faceless YouTube automation, AI ebooks. They all promise the same three things: fast, easy, and passive. So I put the three most pushed ones on a scorecard, and I graded them the honest way, not on the pitch, on the receipts, what the data says, what the people who tried it documented, and what's actually left at the end. No cherry picking, no results not typical, just what actually happens. But before we continue, a quick reminder of who's talking. I've run real businesses for nearly 20 years, long enough to read a profit and loss in my sleep and to know the difference between revenue and profit. So I didn't test these like a beginner hoping for magic. I looked at them like an operator, asking one simple question. If a normal person with a normal budget did this, what would they actually be left with? I'm not guessing, and I'm not pretending I ran them myself. I'm reading the receipts from the people who left behind, the spreadsheets, the income reports, the channels that stopped uploading. That's the lens for the whole scorecard. If you'd rather hear the real numbers than the highlight reel, subscribe. That's the whole channel, the honest version of what everyone else is selling. Hustle number 1, using AI to write articles for businesses. The pitch: churn out content with AI, charge a few hundred a piece, land some clients, quit your job. Here's the reality. The moment AI made writing easy, it made it easy for everyone, and so the market got flooded and the rates collapsed. And AI content that doesn't actually rank or convert gets dropped fast, so clients churn almost as quickly as you land them. It's not a scam, it's real work. It's just low-paid freelancing with extra steps, dressed up as passive income. So let's grade it. The AI does the easy part, the writing. The selling and the churn are the hard part, and nobody puts that in the thumbnail. Grade D. It works. It just doesn't pay well, and it isn't passive. Hustle number 2, the big one: faceless AI YouTube automation. We went deep on this last episode. Here's the honest money version. More than 9 in 10 channels never even reach 1,000 subscribers. Of the ones built purely as automation plays, the honest trackers put the number that ever get monetized at around 3%. And it isn't free to find out. People who documented it properly spent anywhere from $5,000 to $26,000 before a single cent came back. One of them lost the best part of 10 grand in 5 months and walked away. Running it properly, 5 videos a week, costs $800 to $1,000 a month, every month, before you've earned anything. Grade for faceless automation. As it's sold, fast, easy, passive, it's an F. And here's the part that matters. Most people who quit somewhere in month 4, 5, 6, right before the algorithm would have started compounding. Not because AI YouTube can't work. This channel is proof it can. But the moment you add the thing they tell you to skip, a real person, a point of view, months of showing up, it stops being the hustle they sold and becomes an actual business, which is a different video. As the get-rich-quick side hustle in the ad, F. Hustle number 3, AI-generated ebooks. The pitch: have AI write a book in an afternoon, upload it, collect royalties forever. Here's what the numbers actually say. A first book realistically earns somewhere between $50 and $500 in its first year. Around 8 in 10 authors with 1 to 3 books make under $100 a month. The people pulling $3,000 to $10,000 a month, they've got 10, 20 titles built over a year or more with real covers and real marketing. Not an afternoon, but 18 months. Grade C-. It's real. It's genuinely passive-ish once it's up, but it's slow, and it only compounds if you keep going, which is the exact opposite of the one afternoon promise. So before the last part, I want to know, which of these have you actually tried? And what did it really pay you? Be honest, drop it in the comments, because I think a lot of us have quietly funded someone else's course this way. Now here's the pattern underneath all 3. Every one of them can make a little money, but none of them make the money in the thumbnail. And the only people reliably getting rich in this whole space are the ones selling the course about it, not the ones doing it. That's not a conspiracy. It's just the business model. They make more from the map than you'll ever make from the territory. And the graveyard proves it, full of people who paid for the map, spent the money, and quit before month 6. So the honest takeaway isn't don't start, it's this. Pick one, treat it like a real business, give it months, not afternoons, and stop paying the people selling you a shortcut to a place they've never actually been. And to be clear, I'm reporting what the data and these creators documented. I'm not giving you financial advice, and your mileage will differ. So check anything money related with a professional in your own country. This isn't me telling you AI can't make money. It obviously can. It's me telling you the fast, easy, passive version is the product they're selling, not the thing they're doing. The real thing takes longer, and it's worth more. Next time, I'm pulling apart the number every one of these hustles waves around, that big monthly figure, and showing you the one they never do, what's actually left after costs and tax, revenue versus profit. It's the difference between looking rich and being paid. If you want that honesty, you know what to do. My name's Chase. This is The Honest Chase, and we're only just getting started.